Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce customer acquisition costs with BigCommerce step by step clear. To reduce customer acquisition costs with BigCommerce, follow these steps. Start by analyzing your current acquisition costs. Identify which marketing channels are delivering the best return on investment. Utilize BigCommerce built-in analytics tools to gather data on customer behavior. Monitor traffic sources and conversion rates for each channel. Next, optimize your website for better user experience. Ensure your site is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Enhance product descriptions and images to attract potential customers. Implement SEO best practices to improve organic search visibility. Create targeted marketing campaigns based on customer segments. Use BigCommerce email marketing integrations for personalized outreach. Leverage social media advertising to reach a broader audience. Test different ad creatives and copy to determine what resonates. Consider remarketing strategies to engage users who have visited your site. Keep your messaging consistent across all platforms to build brand trust. Encourage customer reviews and testimonials to boost credibility. Develop a referral program to incentivize existing customers to share your brand. Monitor performance metrics regularly to fine-tune your strategies. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to extend your reach. Invest in content marketing to establish authority in your industry. Produce valuable blog posts, videos, and guides that attract potential customers. Utilize BigCommerce customer segmentation features for more targeted marketing. Experiment with pricing strategies or promotional offers to drive conversions. Build relationships with customers through exceptional service and engagement. Ensure your follow-up process is efficient, capturing leads effectively. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively reduce customer acquisition costs with BigCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.